Welcome back, Acadiana. We got a high pressure, so that means we got dry air in place. So dew points are pretty comfortable, at least for the rest of today, tomorrow, and the start of next week. But that low pressure system over the Midwest, that is bringing in severe weather and heavy rainfall off towards the east. But here in Acadiana, we are not anticipating any rainfall for at least the next couple of days, but I can't say the same for next week coming up. So let's take it over to the green screen to look at those dew points. And as I mentioned just a moment ago, comfortable conditions over the next couple of days, but we'll have a surge of Gulf moisture return, so that will lead to higher dew points starting on Monday night, and that will lead us into Tuesday and Wednesday with dew points pretty much in the 60s and 70s coming up. But as far as the conditions for the rest of tonight, we'll just deal with northerly winds on the light side, about 3 to 10 miles per hour out of the northeast. Clear skies across the board going into Sunday afternoon, still pretty pleasant out there. Temperatures on the other hand mainly in the 70s. We may see a few areas top out in the low 80s, but it'll be a great end to the weekend, and we definitely need it because that rainfall we had the last couple of days was not pleasant. Even for Monday, we'll still have nice conditions to start the beginning of next week. So let's talk about the rainfall amounts from the last 48 hours. Everyone had at least an inch of rainfall for us in Acadiana. Some areas got at least 3.5 inches, and that was on the high end. Average was at least half an inch to an inch and a half. Now we'll have another round or more rainfall in the forecast starting on Monday night. About 40% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, but we're likely to have rainfall Tuesday night, Wednesday, even through at least Thursday. We'll be expecting high rain chances, heavy rainfall to push through, and that will begin our wet pattern for a couple of days. But drier conditions are expected by the end of next week, going into the start of next weekend. So the risk for excessive rainfall on Tuesday, 3 out of 4, mostly for central and northern Louisiana. It is a slight risk for us in Acadiana, so we can have some heavy rainfall that can lead to flash flooding. So areas already saturated or prone to flooding want to keep an eye out for that. And then we'll still have heavy rainfall likely to cause flash flooding going into Wednesday, as well as we're still under a slight risk for the heavy rainfall, but a moderate threat is not in the forecast right now for Wednesday, so we'll still see how things pan out for Tuesday and Wednesday. But both models, the GFS and the Euro, both showing heavy rainfall moving through for those couple of days. So with the model rainfall totals on the GFS, it has us between at least 3 to 5 inches of rainfall, but we can still have localized higher amounts coming up closer to at least 6-7 inches of rainfall, and that's where the Euro model shows those higher end rainfall totals, about 7 inches there, 6 inches in New Iberia, stretching through parts of New Orleans and further towards the east for those several days where we'll be dealing with those higher rain chances. So with the Euro model, dry for early Tuesday, but that's where we will start to see that rainfall work its way in here for a majority of the afternoon going through the evening. So heavy rainfall pretty much throughout the day on Tuesday coming up. May have a slight break going into Tuesday night and early Wednesday, but we'll still have that rainfall still pushing through for Acadiana through Wednesday evening. It's not until Thursday where we'll see those rainfall amounts a little bit lighter, but dry conditions ahead for Friday and Saturday. So temperatures for tonight on the cool side, and mostly in the low 50s, further towards the north, 52 degrees for Alexandria. Along Interstate 10, temperatures in the low to mid 50s. The same goes for our coastal parishes. But overall tomorrow, mostly in the upper 70s and 80s across Acadiana. So to break down that 10-day forecast, we got some cool mornings ahead, mostly in the 50s. Even those afternoon temperatures are pretty nice, but with the rainfall coming in Tuesday through Thursday, we'll barely get into the 80s because with the rainfall, it'll be a little bit cooler out there. But those overnight temperatures on the warm end with temperatures mostly in the upper 60s for a couple of days. And then as we get into Friday and Saturday, that's where we'll see the drier conditions return into the forecast. So it's jam-packed for the next couple of days, but we'll have another look at this 10-day forecast coming up.